Sometimes we have been faced this issue that Windows unable to detect any audio output in device manager. So the question is how to fix this problem. So at the very first we have to check where is the main problem. So for that go to Windows icon, then open setting. After that choose update and security option. Now once it open up, on the left hand side menu option click on troubleshoot, then choose additional troubleshoot. Now here click on playing audio, this option, then run the troubleshoot. So once it start, it will find any kind of technical error on your Windows audio option. It will take some time, we have to wait until it finished. Once it done, you have to select any of them, suppose a speaker or other input devices like earphone, then click on next. Once it will done, close this tab. Now here we have to do one more thing, just go to search bar again and type here services.msc. Once it's type, hit enter. Now here we have to find out Windows audio. Now right click on this, go to properties. On this status type, select automatic, then click apply and OK. Now on the top menu, on the audio section, click on restart and it will restart Windows audio setting. After that it will fix your issue. But in case if you have still that issue, then just right click on your audio, then click on sound, then choose playback and make sure that speaker is set your default device or not. If it is not, then choose this, then click on apply and OK. After that right click on Windows menu option and select device manager. Now click on audio input and output. Now right click on speaker and choose disable device. Now click on yes. Now again right click on speaker and this time choose enable. After that click on this action tab, then scan for hardware changes, and once it done again click on speaker, then update driver. If you have internet connection, then click on the first option, it will search for automatic driver, and if you don't have the internet connection, then choose the second option. Now choose any of them, then click on next, and once it is done it will be fixed your problem. So hopefully this video will help for you. If it is, then don't forget to click on the subscribe.